2026 Audi Q7 continues to define what a luxury SUV should be, blending elegance, advanced technology, and versatile practicality into one commanding package. From the first glance, the Q7 makes a bold impression with its sharp lines, wider stance, and an updated single-frame grille that feels more confident and athletic than ever before. The sleek LED matrix headlights, now slimmer and more sculpted, give the SUV a futuristic look, while the dynamic taillight animation at the rear adds to its unmistakable road presence. Large alloy wheels, muscular fenders, and a balanced profile emphasize its mix of sportiness and refinement. Step inside, and the Q7 instantly surrounds you with Audi's hallmark attention to detail. The interior combines premium materials like fine leather, brushed aluminum, and natural wood accents with state-of-the-art technology. The centerpiece is the dual-screen MMI touch response system, seamlessly integrated into the dash with haptic feedback that feels intuitive. A 12.3-inch Virtual Cockpit Plus digital display offers customizable layouts, from traditional gauges to full-screen navigation. The 2026 model introduces more ambient lighting options, improved noise insulation, and new seat ergonomics that make both short commutes and long road trips equally comfortable. Space is generous with 3 rows, offering flexible seating configurations and a flat folding option that maximizes cargo capacity. Performance-wise, the Q7 strikes a balance between power and efficiency. The 2026 lineup includes a refined turbocharged V6, delivering smooth acceleration and responsive torque, paired with Audi's legendary quattro all-wheel drive system for unmatched stability in all conditions. For those seeking efficiency, the plug-in hybrid variant offers a blend of electric-only range for city drives and gasoline power for longer journeys. Adaptive air suspension enhances ride comfort, allowing the SUV to glide effortlessly over rough terrain while lowering at higher speeds for better aerodynamics. The steering feels precise, and drive select modes give the driver the freedom to switch between comfort, sport, or off-road settings with a simple touch. Technology has taken another leap forward in this model year. The Q7 integrates the latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise assist with lane guidance, intersection assist, and predictive efficiency assist that learns your driving habits to optimize fuel consumption. Audi has also expanded its augmented reality head-up display, projecting navigation and safety information directly into the driver's line of sight for a futuristic experience. Passengers in the rear benefit from optional entertainment screens, wireless charging pads, and multiple USB-C ports, ensuring that everyone stays connected and entertained. What makes the 2026 Q7 stand out is its ability to be many things at once: a family-friendly hauler, a luxurious long-distance cruiser, and a capable performer when pushed. It doesn't just look good in a showroom. It's built to adapt to different lifestyles, whether that means school runs, business trips, or weekend getaways. Audi has successfully blended timeless design with next-generation innovation, making this SUV a true benchmark in its segment. The 2026 Audi Q7 isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making every journey refined, intelligent, and enjoyable, no matter where the road leads.